Fanatics, I have one of our very own special, Coach Zunguza with Juventus. Coach Zunguza, Kamgenkomazi, Coach. Akuhlangananga namuhla, you coming here, you playing one of the greatest development tournaments that are usually held in the Mpumalanga province, you know, Coach. Junior Championships under 14th edition, Coach. Reflection yakho, Coach, tournament ibone njani, bafana ngiphi indlela labadlale ngayo lehle?
Yeah, i-tournament yona ngiyayibona yona iseTulu. Bafana badlalile angisolutho. But igame yokuqala lapha bekumele maybe sidlala i-draw ya 1-1 besifeve ngoba away siwa eNkomazi sitha eMbombela. After lapho referee ngakhala kakhulu ngareferee ngoba uma ungicoach amelana sometimes ukhale kakhulu base referee kwende lo naloko mara ngiyakhala even abafana bami lento le ibashayile bepersonal kubo ngaze bafana bami azamene simane sizamele game le second game but the second game ne lapho ngidliwa khona straight ngibonile 3-0 bangishayile but le first game ngiyakhala kakhulu vele lapho next time vele ufuna abalungu senza ba refereeing ifavoritism angimela ngibe khona ngoba labantu labo referee babuka i-location ukuthi maybe okay basuke eNkomazi badlala i-team yaseNasport eMbombela bathi akumelanga vele lento le iphume ekhaya kumele vele lento lesalela ekhaya kanti ibhola ngale indlela i-team le deserve kuwina inike win yakubona but mina awuthi maybe namuhla bengimele ngiwina bengimele namuhla i-draw bengifeva ngoba ref first half udla se 15 minutes second half se 25 minutes ibe wrong lapho mara next time bafana bafundzile nabo babonile ngoba bathi khamba kubona nababonile bafana bami mangicabanga nabanye abakhale labakhala khona bona umuntu abadudude ngithe bafana bamhadine next time that's why amalanga kafana nakubona lokho
Coach kusuka eNkomazi ngiyaphinda coach kusuka eNkomazi coach into ekudlala i-tournament lengangalena coach bafana kubagqugqudele njani and bekungiphi i-message bokathi unayo ukuqhubekela kude kule tournament yanamuhla ukuthi bafana sisuka eNkomazi perhaps labanye bangasibuka basibukele phansi basikale njengemande kupheka liphuthu ngiphi coach i-message bokathi unayo
message lenginayo for abafana bami ngilo sinyalo la nabo TS Galaxy nabo TS Sporting yabona ma-academy yabona la seTulu and futhi ibhola lezidlala yona ngale khanga la nalebhola edlala abadlala la ayifani ngoba la bafana banganeni ba physical kakhulu shothi banjani yabona ukuthi uhlala ithola ipalon every day yabona abafana bethu sometimes bakhula ngemathapa badla inkaka umchumbula bawuthola tingobe bathola tingobe nesiginya basadi yabona manje labo thenganene vele bathole amadoda yabona ngibona ukuthi nabafana ngibatshela bafana abantu majita nganene yabona ane power and futhi once nalala bafana bami banivusa phansi so that is why bafana bami nani nibonile niyakhula the tournament late onikhulisa futhi next time ukuthi noma somewhere nikwazi ukuthi madlala away kumele maybe nti prepare njani uyakubona ukuthi siluzile namunhla nama ibhola injalo uyakubona yeah abafana bami ngibashela tandla bazamile abazame khona ngicomplain next angisole goalkeeper angisole player kude ngisola khona abafana bami ngoba igame yabona yeah bafana babafundzile ngibonga lokho ngiyabonga ne tournament eseTulu tournament junior championship uyayibona tournament lena ayichubeke isibekele ma games ichubeke njalo ibeke ama division lamanye under 17 under 19 sikhona participate uyakubona ma camps prepare basitshele ngesikhathi sikwazi ukuthi okay so benza let's see let's so uyakubona sikwazi majita ethu so prepare kahle in time tournament i-junior championship eseTulu ngoba impumalanga is-accommodate sonke uyakubona impumalanga as a whole uyayibona so ayichubeke njalo ukuthi baphushe njalo majita congratulations coach Mr Manager Mdu siyabonga nakuwe uchubeke njalo lesento khona ama mistakes usibekedelele usixolele futhi ngoba sibo coach sometimes mase game sahluthuka that's why basi don't hate the player hate the game uyabona after 90 minutes check atandla iphelile lento leyo yona ishaya enhlitweni ukuthi akhomnandi namhlanga kimi umdala namhlanga akabi ngakimi maybe namuhla ubeke usinani ubeke lenye team KMQ uyakubona ngiyabona KMQ yasekhaya iqualifyile isirepresentile nalapho akuthi maybe sonke sihluleke sonke siyinkomazi KMQ congratulations siyabonga nisirepresentile lapho thank you mphathi futhi ngihamba namnaka umfana wami namuhla uyaqala bona naSport eMbombela ngithi thank you mphathi siyabonga ngihamba namnaka umfana wami namuhla uyicalile lento futhi ndazwa ngihla ngimtshela ngithi mfana wami lento siyicala sikana lutho le siyibeke egcineni mfana wami umdalo sithanda sonke thank you mphathi ngibonga ngijeke ukuphala abafana emalelana kukhona ukuthi bathambisanyana badlanyana
Sibonga coach we KMQ, coach Zunguza lona sibonga
Juventus.